Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup dental receipts in Delta Dental Mobile. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Delta Dental Mobile app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Claims section. In the Claims section, look for the option to upload or manage receipts. Select the option to add a new receipt. You'll be prompted to take a photo of your receipt. Position your receipt within the frame and tap the Capture button. After taking the photo, review the image for clarity. If the photo needs adjustments, tap the Retake option. Once you're satisfied with the image, proceed to the next step. Enter the details about the service related to the receipt. Make sure to include the date of service and the dollar amount. After filling out the information, confirm your entries. Tap on the Upload button to save your receipt. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the upload was successful. Your dental receipt is now backed up within the Delta Dental app. You can access it anytime under the Claims section for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.